Hello guys, welcome to Vechi. Today we are going to see the mechanism of laser. We studied the definition of laser, right? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It looks very horrible, right? And we think, why this name is so big? We will break this today. For which you need to know how do we get the laser beam. Laser is produced in a closed chamber. In this chamber, we can see the lasing medium in the center, which is nothing but the donor of electrons which is needed for production of laser beam. We also can see two reflectors present in opposite directions here and here. These two are present in a closed chamber. Now we can also see one more thing which is called as external energy source. And when this external energy source is giving some energy in the form of quanta or small energy packets, the electrons present in this lasing medium will jump from normal or ground status into higher energy status. Before that electron jump back to its normal or ground state, during its excited state, if one more quanta is going to hit that particular electron, whenever that electron is coming back to its normal position, the energy which is released in the form of quantum radiation will be having same energy, direction and phase differences as that of the quantum which hit that particular electron when it was excited. This particular beam is called as the stimulated emission of radiation, which is nothing but the primitive laser beam. After this, this particular beam has to be amplified. That is done by the reflectors present in two opposite sides. In order to get this particular beam, which is stimulated emission of radiation, we need to have a situation where excited electrons number should be more than that of the normal state electrons, and this particular situation is called as population inversion. Now we will consider one example, which is a little historic. You all know about Hitler, right? He's a big Don-like leader. So now consider that fellow has taken 1,000 families and kept in one chamber. It's a closed chamber and all the doors and everything is shut, and all those 1,000 families are there inside, and he's the only source of energy for them. Now he starts to stimulate those people to get angry by continuously hitting them. Normally in a community, one or two people will be angry in one particular time zone, right? But here Hitler makes sure that people are angry and more people are angry. Okay, now we see the proportion. Angry people are only more compared to the normal people. This particular scenario is termed as population inversion. Now, don't you get a question about this Hitler and those families? Who are they? Well, that's interesting. Those families are nothing but the atoms present in the lasing medium, and that Hitler is nothing but the external energy source, and those people who are getting angry are nothing but the electrons present in those atoms. Whenever these electrons are coming to the normal position, that is calm down position, they release the energy in the form of quantum radiation. But if we see properly, it became excited or became angry by the hitting of one more quantum. Are they similar in nature in normal condition? The answer is no. Because the later whatever the quanta is produced, which is having lesser energy compared to the previous quanta which has hit that particular atom to release that electron. Now in this Hitler's chamber, so is something is normal? No, here nothing is normal. Here angry electrons are only in large number, right? Now when a quantum radiation is going to hit this angry or already excited electron, it will release a quantum of same energy in same direction with the same phase difference as the photon which hit the electron. It's like when I am angry, somebody hits me in that time, I will hit back to him with the same energy. If he hits to me to the right side, I will also hit to his right side with the same speed and same time. Okay? Such a beam obtained by all stimulated electrons is termed as stimulated emission of radiation. Abba, now we got to know what is the meaning of the last three letters of or last three words of laser. Now we will see what is the meaning of light amplification. We all know the procedure, whatever we are producing the laser, which is done in a closed container. Now coming to the walls of that container, if we see two walls which are opposing each other are having plane mirror which are parallel to each other. Okay. Now whatever the quanta released during the calm down procedure of electron are passing and going towards this. Okay, whenever it hits that mirror, what happens to that? It is a radiation, it's a light form, so it is getting reflected back. What are actually these quanta? They are nothing but energy packets. So whenever they are coming back, again they are going to hit some electrons which might be stimulated state already, because already population is inversed. So again they release some more amount of quanta which are again having similar energy, same direction, same phase difference. So again they will go and to the opposite side they are traveling. Now again one more mirror is there. They go and hit that mirror and again get reflected, and again some more electrons are getting stimulated. This is a non-ending process of amplification. Who is getting amplified all this time? It is the light. Okay, it is the light which is getting amplified. That is why it is called as light amplification. Now you get to know why the light amplification came. Finally, we know the definition of laser with more understanding, because what is actually laser now? It is the light which has got amplified, which actually is released by stimulated emission of radiation, which is actually obtained by stimulated electrons which got hit by some photon energy or some quantum energy. Thank you guys. I hope you understood something about the laser and its mechanism behind its production and all. Thank you for watching.